Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Rides and Bullies. First of all, I want to thank all our subscribers and our followers. For those people who haven't followed us yet, check our Facebook page, Rides and Bullies, YouTube channel, Facebook page, and of course our Instagram, Rides and Bullies. So we are grateful and thankful to all of you who are supporting us because the channel is doing great. And we can see that people are communicating with us, they're messaging us, they're commenting on the sections, and we are replying slowly. And we're grateful that we are all sharing this kind of passion for all the bikers, moto vloggers, motor riders, big bike riders, mga underbones. Thank you for still checking out our videos. And then soon we will be giving out pointers on the riding skills and the riding styles and riding tips. Of course, our American Bully breeders and co-owners, mga participants on the groups and the members on the groups. Thank you very much for your support. The dog lovers, the pet lovers, our cats. We are grateful for all your support, and you're really showing your enthusiasm as you continue to share with us, as we continue to share with you. So grateful kami. So if you're probably wondering, kanino itong mga puppies na to? These are American Bully puppies. And then these are from the breeding of Ghost and Hey Hey. So you've seen the feeding tips of the videos. Thank you for those who viewed. It was really helpful for the newbies, for the continuing breeders. Maraming nag-message sa amin na malaking tulong. So masarap sa puso sa amin yun. So we're very happy that it worked for you and you're checking it out, and we're happy to share. So today we're going to be talking about bikes. I'll be working on my ZX10RR. Then I'll be giving you good news already about the power banks I was mentioning before. That I'll be giving 3 power banks. So I'll just give these puppies away kasi baka ma-stress sila, but they're very happy. So these puppies are 5 to 6 weeks old, I think mga 5 weeks old. So we're gonna have their deworming in a week and another anti-parvo shot sabay on that week. So they're doing good. These are the results of our feeding program, and it's working for us. So I hope it's working also for you. So catch you later. I'll give these ones, then I'll be back. So guys, I made mention before that Rides and Bullies will be giving 3 power banks to all our subscribers randomly with the previous videos before. So here you go. We will be giving 1, 2, 3, it's the same thing, to our subscribers. These are all brand new. So these are power banks, and we are thankful from our friends from Pacific Cross for giving us the sponsorship. So these are your power banks, and we will be giving this one randomly. So how to join and how to participate and how to get this kind of giveaway. Now, very simple. First, on this video, you write your name and a number. And make sure you subscribe to us and you like this video. If we can see that it is there, you liked our video, and then you subscribe on our video, you subscribe on our channel rather, then you put number 1. If you can see that there's number 1, number 2, then you follow. No repetition of numbers. No repetition of numbers. It's just a number and your name after you have subscribed and after you've liked this video. If you haven't, then we'll check it out. Then you are not eligible to receive the giveaway. So now, from number 1, if you're done, if you see that there's a comment there that has a name of number 1, then you go to number 2. Then after that, there's number 2 and has a name already, then you go number 3, and so on. So from there on, after, we will be giving you 1 week, only 1 week, because baka ma-spoil na to. So 1 week of putting all the information there, and then after that, once we're done, we will have a live raffle draw on Facebook or live stream on YouTube, and you just need to check it out because we will be giving out these through raffles. And once we will not give out raffle names, no, the raffle draw will be based on the number that you're in. So kapag sabi namin nanalo ay number 10, ang pangalan ng number 10 will be the winner. And you have to make contact with us once you see the video right away. And once you have watched it live, you have to be there. If not live and you don't contact us or comment on the same day. I'll give you the same day. Within 24 hours, you have to contact us. Within 24 hours, you have to contact us so that you can receive your gifts. If not within the day, then we will have another draw. Okay? So I'm excited for you. This is all for you. So I hope you follow instructions properly. So I have to let this go now. Okay? So congrats to whoever is gonna win and good luck to all of you. And of course, the reason why we're doing the video today is we're gonna work on the ZX10RR. What we're gonna do is work on the rear sets. We're gonna put GP shifting. The regular shifting is 1 down, all up. The GP shifting is 1 up, all down. So we're gonna put the setting of this bike. As you can see, it's still on regular, that's the stock rear sets. And we're gonna be putting race rear sets that are on GP shifting setting. So as you can see, yep, I've shown you the parts already, and you're probably wondering what is this. So this is the velocity stack. It's made out of carbon fiber that we produce. These are the carbon fibers that we produce. If you're asking what's that for, that actually helps you with your powerful torque. It gives you additional torque, and it gives you horsepower. So that's what actually superbike racers are using. So the stock ones are actually like this. These are the stock ones. If you see the difference, see? The other one's lower, the other one's higher. The other one's lower, the other one's higher. But the carbon fiber velocity stocks are actually having that kind of balance, and it is actually designed to have that flow, to have that back pressure in your throttle body. So that actually works. So as you can see right now, look, what we're installing today is carbon fiber frame protector. So this is the stock. It's actually naked. We're gonna put this one, and you'll see from the, hold on, the rear, it's actually naked. Swing arm carbon fiber protector. So these are all our products. A lot of our customers actually, and clients and co-racers, co-bikers, co-riders actually are very, very satisfied with our product. Before, if you've seen this one, I had a video of our winglets. This is our winglets. See? So I'm gonna get the samples of it. This one. See? If that's the winglet, these are our products. So that's on the flat side, and this is on the side. See, a thin one, but that's pure carbon fiber. See, and even our brackets are made of carbon fiber. So this is way better than, for me, it's way better than Pewig, because Pewig came in with steel and just plastic, and it looks like an ordinary glass. And it's a bit jologs because it's green. So what we have is the winglet that's made out of carbon fiber, and it's exactly the same design as Pewig. So it actually works for us. Aesthetically, it's very nice, and it's lighter and looks way badass, and really looks good. Yeah. So just to inform the other riders, any kind of brand actually, Kawasaki, BMW, even on Ducatis, even on R1s, even Yamahas, even on Jigsters. This one comes in standard. The design comes in standard. The fact that is different is only the brackets, because the bike has different designs, but it has a standard wing design, but only the bracket is different. For those who want to order winglets, you can order the winglets. You can do the design. You can do the design of the brackets if you want, or we can work on it here. So here you go. So as far as our velocity stack is concerned, this bike has been installed with velocity stack, and we saw the difference in the power, torque, and the horsepower. We checked it on the diagram. It's actually faster, and it's actually beefy and juicy now. So it's actually reactive responsive right now. So that's good. So we're gonna show you a video of the whole bike for now. so that you'll see that it comes in stock. And then we go start working on it. Okay. Okay, you saw the whole video. It was just a very quick one. At least you saw that everything was stock as far as the front chassis, the main frame, and the swing arm. And plus you saw the rear sets that are all stock. So we're done with that. We're gonna start working. Okay. Okay guys, we're done. We're able to install the frame protector. You can see this one. And of course the swing arm protector. So we did a lot of job because we need to remove the parts here and the parts here. But we were able to work it out. And what else did we install? The rear sets. So far, you check it out. Yeah. Okay. So it's actually good. So we're gonna do testing, and we'll see if the flow of the brake and the shifting peg is gonna work well. So we're gonna show you the other side, so you can see my shifting on my foot peg on my left foot. So at least you've seen earlier that the brakes is working well from the foot peg on the right side on the foot brake, right? So that's good. You've heard it also from the shifting earlier. One up, all down. So that's first gear, second gear, third gear till 6, and then upshift is actually the downshift. So upshift 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 from 6. So we're gonna show it to you. So we're just gonna bring bike around, and it's working well naman kanina. So that's a good thing. Okay guys, here you go. Left side, you can see left side also has frame carbon fiber protector, and left side carbon fiber protector on the swing arm. Also has a carbon fiber chain guard that comes along with carbon fiber protector itself. So here you go. So let's start it, and you look at my foot as I do the shifting, and we're gonna start the bike. That, my friends, is the we're gonna go first here, and you'll see. you've seen that one, auto blipping upshift and auto blipping downshift. So you've seen it earlier. We do the shifting there. First gear up, and then from neutral up. So we go down one. Oh no, sorry. You go neutral, and then you go up one, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then from 6 you go up. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. Okay, so that's the second gear, and then you do halfway. That's neutral. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. The next video, since it's gonna be a long one, we're gonna be installing the front fender. We're gonna remove the stock fender and the stock tire hugger, rear tire hugger. We're gonna be installing the carbon fiber with the clips for the cables, brake cables, pure carbon fiber front fender, and rear customized MotoGP look rear tire hugger. So it's actually very badass. So this is matte and this is gloss. So we're gonna be installing them in the next video, and you're gonna love this. We will be installing this. Finally, yung order dumating amidst the pandemic. So far, meron tayong mga connection na nakarating talaga siya. So we're gonna be installing the MXK10 Clash dash logger kit for Kawasaki ZX-10R. So next, we will be installing this and that. Successful tayo sa pag-install ng mga carbon fiber protectors on the swing arm and on the frame, plus the rear sets, and successfully have made from stock setting of the shifting to MotoGP shifting. That is one up, all down. Normally it's one down, all up. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like us on our Facebook page, Rides and Bullies, and of course our IG, Rides and Bullies, and YouTube channel, Rides and Bullies. Thank you for the followers. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for the supporters. Until then, guys, thank you very much. You all have a good night. Don't forget about our draw, our rapid draw, about our power banks. We'll be giving 3, and you already know what to do. So have a good night, guys. I'll see you again next time.